If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. I never bitchin' can save it. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. Keep you by my side, to keep you from walking out the door. There'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear sky if I lose you, baby. Just let the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day in the rain, 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 I'll never be a mother's favorite. Your daddy come in and look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Thinking, there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they just a beg of something they can't understand. But little mama, watch me change their mind. Oh, you, I tried to pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. If that'll make it right, there'll be no sunshine if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just let the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day in the rain, rain, rain. Baby, baby, don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. Broken pieces till I'm bleeding. If that'll make it right, there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just let the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day in the rain, rain, rain. Yeah. I don't know if Bruno wrote that song himself, but whoever wrote it, I mean, if you done been like that and you done felt like that, I understand that, because I done felt like that before too, you know what I'm saying? But things work out exactly how they should. So, if you're going through right now, it's alright. Just keep the faith. You will get through it. Alright? That might be my last video for today. Maybe not. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see what the day brings. Alright. Liv Nicole here, and I'm out. I love you guys. Be easy, but not that easy.